Check if Dataframe is a Boolean type Pandas. I have a Pandas Dataframe as below. I need to check if the type of this Dataframe is bool. I tried with it should return true. How can I do this? Reference, check if variable is Dataframe.
You can print the types of the columns. In your case, df1.b.types should print the same output as above. The other thing to note that isinstance, df, bool, will not work as it is a Pandas data frame, or more accurately. The important thing to note is that types is in fact a number py.type. You can do this to compare the name of the type with a string, but I think isinstance is clearer and preferable in my opinion.
To get the type of a specific column, you have two ways. Use dataframe.types, which returns a series whose index is the column header. Use series.type or series.types to get the type of a column. Internally, series.types calls series.type to get the result, so they are the same. All of the results return the same type. To check if it is a bool type also has multiple ways. You can also select the columns with specific types with dataframe.select_types.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.